My name is Daniel Buckingham from ADX Depot, and today we will be introducing to you our Metinno Access Panels. Quite often, access panels can be overlooked in the specifying process, leading to the ugly old generic access panel being installed, and quite often taking away from your overall vision you had set in the design process. Luckily, the premium Metinno Access Panels have got you covered. Metinno Access Panels have been designed and rigorously tested to meet the building code standards for both residential and commercial applications. Suitable for internal installation in both studded masonry walls, suspended ceilings, and service shafts. Metinno Access Panels are available in flanged or set bead finish across a variety of standard sizes, and are constructed with quality components within its premium sound reduction design. Taking a closer look, it achieves a high acoustic rating of an indicated RW32, and the Metinno Access Panels have a rigid welded aluminium construction and are finished with a 16mm steel-backed high-density material, making it a good solution for a high moisture and resistant humidity space where required. High quality components have been utilised right down to the small design features like the European snap hinges, integrated threaded holes enabling independent suspension for suspended ceilings, rubber seals that contribute to the acoustic performance, and also included are square drive key locks and quick release chains for increased security requirements. For more information on our Metinno Access Panel range, be sure to visit our website at www.adxdepot.com.au, and of course, you can contact our friendly team with the details listed below. And remember, for the best finish and results on your project, be sure to specify Metinno Premium Access Panels.